Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am one of your media directors this semester. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create a Handshake profile. Handshake is a career services platform designed specifically for students. Most accounting firms that hire from CSUN have profiles on Handshake and will be using Handshake to set up interviews and to provide updates to students about their application. This semester, Handshake will also be used to host Meet the Firms. To create a profile, simply go to joinhandshake.com and click on Login on the top right corner. Select CSUN as the school that you're logging into, and log in using your CSUN login credentials. From there, you're going to want to set up your profile. Click on your profile picture on the top right corner and then click on Your Profile. If you're familiar with LinkedIn, then this should be a breeze for you. Here you will be able to fill in important information such as your name, a short description of yourself, your major, your education, job experience, your extracurriculars, your skills, and relevant courses you've taken, and of course, your picture. Next, you're going to want to open that drop-down menu on the top right corner of the screen and then click on Documents. On this page, you can upload your resume, any cover letters you've written, and your unofficial transcripts. Once your resume is uploaded, Stuart will be able to see it and review it. If he approves of it, you will receive the approved status as seen here. You will also need to upload any unofficial transcripts you have from CSUN or from any other schools that you've attended. By uploading your documents here, you will be able to automatically attach these documents to the job applications you send on Handshake without having to upload them separately for each individual job application. Once you are happy with your profile and your resume has been approved, you are ready to start applying for jobs and attending events. To attend CSUN's Fall 2020 Meet the Firms, click on Events on the top of the screen and search for Meet the Firms in the bottom search bar. And then click on one of the 3 Meet the Firms events. Click on Available Sessions to see which firms are coming and to register for one-on-one sessions. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and then we'll try to help you as best as we can. Good luck, and I hope everyone has great success at recruiting this semester.